Approaching summertime here, and we all know what that means. When it starts getting warm, grass starts growing. Every year, let's just be honest, not every year. I don't even know if I get every other year. But I do want to try to keep my lawnmower serviced and maintained. I've been servicing on this. This is a Kubota ZD 221. I don't know exactly how old it is. Almost 100% positive it's in excess of 10 years old, maybe older than that. It's got about 350 hours on it or so. I've been working on trying to get this thing ready to get to mowing the grass. Let me just show you some of the things that I've got done, and I've got one more thing to do, and I think you'll be interested in this. So what we've done so far in getting this thing ready to mow grass, we've checked the air in the tires, we've greased the axles, greased everything that needs greasing. All the fittings, we've greased that, and of course that's a continual thing through the year. Under the hood here, we have checked the antifreeze, we've cleaned all this out, made a deep clean on the radiator, because that thing gets mighty dirty and dusty. Cleaned the air filter, we've changed the fuel filters. You got one here on this particular model and another one in under there. Changed the oil, there's the new oil filter. We did not change the hydraulic fluid because, well, quite frankly, the hydraulic fluid looks really, really good. Checked this fluid level in here, cleaned it up a bit, and we did put in a new hydraulic filter. I think that's about all there is to do on this machine, except one more thing, and that is either need to change the blades or sharpen the blades. I bought new blades for this machine last year and put them on, so today we're going to be changing the blades.
What?
And we'll clean that out real good. So there's blade use after 1 year. It's not atrociously terrible, but still can use a good sharpening. And an old timer told me you want to try to take off the same amount on each of the blades so they'll stay balanced and it won't vibrate as much. I don't know, but that's what he told me. I'm not taking it down to a razor's edge. I'm just getting her, you know, sort of, I mean, that won't cut you. I believe it'll cut grass. But let me know how I'm supposed to be doing this. I don't have a clue. I'm gonna clean those cups out. We're gonna put them back on. Here's something else I'm gonna do, and you can tell me if I'm doing right or doing wrong. Again, I don't know. But now that I've got it cleaned out, I'm gonna put a bit of grease in there. About that much down in the bottom, just to give it a little start. Parts diagram I looked at showed me the two washers on top and then this washer on the bottom. By George, I believe that's right. That's got it. I was So the way this goes on a ZD221, you put these two cup washers up on top of that, and that goes like that. So easy. And we are done. I'm gonna go mow. I'll see you in the next one.